Welcome back to this video. If you have been importing from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see new features that allow you to easily rename your supplier contact on 1688 Chinese shopping app for easy identification. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taova or pinduoduo, I do fish, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to coach you on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to easily rename any supplier contact for easy identification on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my 1688 shopping app. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, next thing you need to do is to go to your chat section right here. Click on that. Then it's open up like so, like this. So as you can see from my chat section right here, you can see many of these names here are in Chinese. And if you really want to rename them based on what they sell in order for you to easily identify them, just like what you see right here, I renamed the supplier right here. So you can simply do your own as well. And for you to rename any supplier, what you need to do is to simply click on the supplier name. So I'm going to use this particular supplier as an example. And once you click on their name, it's open up your chat box with them. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three dots from the top corner side. So click on that. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to type in the new name right here. I'm going to simply click on here and type in new seller. Books. I'm going to put brackets and close brackets. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on here. And it's as simple as that. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on here to go back to your chat box. And click on here to go back again. Click on here to go back. Then on getting back to your chat section right here, you can simply scroll down and then look for the new supplier that you just renamed. But for easy identification, you can simply make use of search icon right here. Just come to the search icon and type in the name you used to save the contact. I'm going to simply type in books. Now, just like what you see right here, new seller books. So from here, I can simply select on their name and start chatting with them. As you can see right here, new seller books, which is the name I used to identify them. It's as simple as that. Then from here, I can simply click on here to open up our chat and continue my chat with them. You can see it has been updated right here, new seller books. So I can simply go back and then start chatting with the supplier, go back and back. Then I can simply scroll down right here and look for their name. So it's as simple as that. So for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.